Hello everyone, good day. I'm Reymund and this video is all about the basic greetings in Hiligaynon. Kamusta ka? Hi, hello, or how are you? Kamusta ka? Maayo man ako? I'm fine. Maayo man ako. Maayong adlaw. Good day. Maayong adlaw. Maayong adlaw man. Good day too. Maayong adlaw man. Maayong aga. Good morning. Maayong aga. Maayong aga man. Good morning too. Maayong aga man. Maayong udto. Good noon. Maayong udto. Maayong udto man. Good noon too. Maayong udto man. Maayong hapon. Good afternoon. Maayong hapon. Maayong hapon man. Good afternoon too. Maayong hapon man. Maayong gab-i. Good evening. Maayong gab-i. Maayong gab-i man. Good evening too, or good evening also. Maayong gab-i man. Salamat. Thank you. Salamat. Salamat man. Thank you too. Salamat man. Madamo gid nga salamat. Thank you very much. Madamo gid nga salamat. Madamo nga salamat man. Thank you very much too, or thank you very much also. Madamo nga salamat man. Wala sang anuman. It's nothing, or that also means welcome. Wala sang anuman. Wala gid sang problema. No problem at all. Wala gid sang problema. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Halong gid. Take care. Halong gid. Ikaw man. You too. Ikaw man. While we are at it, you might also want to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe in order that I will be inspired to do more videos like this. Moreover, you might also want to watch the next video on the screen if you want to learn more. Thank you very much and take care always.